Right, take two. So we're going to try and do this video without the wipers on, aren't we, George?
Yeah.
So the grass, this has grown since last week. So we're going a slightly different route, and we're going to take our Land Rover Defender on Ridgeway again. So we're also going to try and get the drone up today. We've brought the drone up with us, and this week George and I, we've both done our drone licenses, haven't we, George?
Yeah.
So we're proper legit drone flyers now. So we're going to drive down here, get somewhere open where we got some nice views, and try and get some drone views. And we might even try and do that follow me thing where we haven't worked out how to do that yet. So yeah, we've also we've got another GoPro, haven't we, George? It's just charging, and we're going to try with a different GoPro as well this week. So we're trying some new stuff, and we're trying to test the car as well. Right, so we've got on top of the Ridgeway, so we've got this fantastic view out here, all over Swindon and here. And George is just setting up the drone, and we're going to try and do some drone footage. We're in Muds and Ruts. We're just playing with the so we got the off-road screen here, but we've also got the camera, the off-road camera system, so we can see, hopefully, if we can't see over our bonnet, because you can't always see over your bonnet, so hopefully we can see what's going on down here. There you go, you can see the trail we've got to go along here. Sliding up. Can you put that wheel display on again, George, so I can see where the wheels are pointing?
There you go, you can see the wheels.
I see the wheels. Oh, the car is just following the ruts like crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to slide?
I'm going to slide.
Yeah, the back's going.